Today I will discuss you how many distinct English dialect are speaking throughout the world. More than 160 distinct English dialect are using throughout the world. If we are talking about the Indians, India's have using 14 distinct English dialect. If you are talking or communicating to another persons, if they have speaking in English, you just find out that the some of the pronunciations are accent are the very distinct, very different from the another persons. That is the reasons. If you are compare from the northeast and the southeast, there is the some differences in during the speaking time, because the English dialect are differentiates in throughout the world. Apart from in all over the country, if you see at any countries like primary countries like US and the British English, they have also speaking on their own dialect speaking. This is the difference between US and the British Indian. British. That's why you see that more than 27 distinct English dialect are speaking in the British English. And if we talking about the US also using the 27 dialect English speaking. That pronunciations are different from the one country to another country. That is the main protocols, main mottos to be differentiate the pronunciations of the each other countries. If we talking about the Indian countries have using the 14 distinct English dialect, because if you see that from one persons from the northeast and one from the other side like southeast, you see the pronunciations of the English will be different from each others. That make difference, which cause the English distinct dialect. And in India 14 distinct English dialect are also speaking. If we talking about the Ireland also using the English 9 distinct English dialect. If we talking about the another countries like Australia, that known as the smallest continent, and there are also using 7 distinct English dialect. Because if you see from the one person here staying and one is another places, if one any persons have here from the India's is go to the Americas, US, Japan, Ireland, South Korea, at any place, if you talking to them, then you see that, then you find out that his tones is also changed, because there are the dialect are different from the India's and the foreign countries. So this is the main distinct English dialect, or we should know about the dialect speaking English and pronunciations of the English. That's enough. And for more informations, you can like, share and comment to my channel for more informations, and you can see more ever videos which have been made in the previous. Thank you. Bye bye. Lata.